Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I am going to be making a cute zombie bear charm with this bezel. And there is a kitty here too, but I'm actually not using it, so just ignore the kitty. Anyway, this footage is actually from a live stream that I did a few weeks ago, and for those of you that do not know, I have been live streaming lately, and it's been a lot of fun. I am enjoying chatting with y'all and getting a lot of crafting done actually, and journaling, and we're making a dollhouse now, so I would love it so much if you would join me. I will leave the links down below with all the details and times and stuff, so if you have time, please pop in, even if it is just to say hello. It means a lot to me. But I do realize that not everyone has 2-3 hours a day to spend, watching me craft, or, time zones could not work out. So I am trying my best to cut up and edit the streams, especially the crafting portions, so those of you that are interested can see it, in a short form. So hopefully those will be going up on this channel and even on my toy channel, because we do open some toys and do some journaling and fun stuff. So yeah, if you're subscribed, you should see all this content going up anyway. But yes, if you missed the streams and would like to watch the archives, they are in my playlist. So you can click on my channel page. But yes, getting back to the charm here, I have had these bezels for a very long time. I think I ordered them off of Amazon actually, but I have seen them on different sites. So if you look up zombie bear bezel, maybe they should pop up. I'll try to find some links and put them below. But anyway, I've been holding on to these for a very long time because I have been scared to use them, because I only have a limited number of them and I didn't want to ruin them. Like, I felt very anxious when looking at them because I wanted them to look perfect and beautiful. But I actually found a really good solution, and that was to take a photo of them and then import them into an editing app like Paint Shop Pro, because yes, I still use Paint Shop Pro even though I have Photoshop, but I learned Paint Shop Pro first, so it's easier to me. Yeah. Anyway, import it into a editing app and you can test out color combinations there, and you can decide if you like it or don't like it without, actually putting resin into the bezel. So I thought that was actually a pretty good hack, so I will be doing that in the future as well. The steps to making this are pretty similar to every other resin craft with me video I have. I'm coloring the resin and filling in the bezel. But I do really love the color combos I ended up with, and actually a lot of you helped me pick the colors. Anyway, I am going to leave you guys to watch the rest of this video, but I would love to see you at our live streams, and even if it's just, to say hi, I would love that so much. And we also have a Discord, that's right, I needed to remind you guys. If you want to chat about pretty much anything that is on any of my channels, come to our Discord. And I'm pretty active on there, I would say. I like posting photos of my crafts and my dogs, so hope to see you there too as well. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this charm. The kitty I actually did finish after stream, and as you probably saw in the thumbnail, it looks really cute. But let me know what your favorite color combinations are, and I will see if I can incorporate them into charms in the future. Anyway, that is all from me. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!